This video is on how to use the shutdown program. This is in case you want to temporarily shut your website off for some sort of reasons. You may want to do a mass update on products or content and you don't want anyone entering the site until that point. So in my demonstration site, we're still fully active here. So inside settings, and then you come down to where it starts with shutdown. So in shutdown, you can put in a title, so what the shutdown's for, so you might be doing major updates or whatever you happen to be doing. A shutdown time, so I'm just going to put in a time that's going to be roughly 2 hours from now. And then a shutdown reason, it's just maintenance, and then a shutdown contact if they want to contact you, and a shutdown message. The main one here is the shutdown time. Without the time, the shutdown program doesn't activate. So once we put in the shutdown time and hit save, when we refresh our public screen, it'll now go to a shutdown window. And it actually has there that, it'll be back online at this time. So basically your clients can actually see that it's going to come back online at a set period of time. So that's how you use the temporary shutdown system. And again, to remove the shutdown, all we do is delete this, save. When we go back and refresh, our temporary shutdown will be off again.